know car enthusiasts, bike enthusiasts, and wouldn't it be great to have all the space you need and all the storage for multiple lifts, a paint booth, all the tools and things, and not to mention just a great place to hang out with your buddies right here at your home. The American dream is having a home with the space to live the lifestyle that you want. It's not just car enthusiasts, business owners, equipment, trailers. We all have all the things, and you need space to store all the things, and you don't want it to look like a junkyard. Whether it's hot rods or heavy equipment, you need a secure space for everything. "70 feet of fun, all your toys will fit right here." Thanks for visiting 922 Florence Road. I'm Deborah Morton with Clareo Group, and if you want a slice of the American dream, call me.